journey, a little nature walk.
And now we gotta walk down the driveway, and then like 3 miles that way to the light. Oh, look, a bunny. I've seen that buddy five times walking.
I missed it.
Whenever I get mad, I'll walk up and down here a little to try and calm myself down. I see a bunny. I see that exact bunny hop in there every time.
Huh.
Heard they taste good.
Rabbit stew, rabbit gravy.
Yeah. Catch that rabbit?
I've tasted rabbit before, and it's really nasty. I've ate rabbit gravy, and it was good. Rabbit gravy was good. But just plain rabbit was nasty.
I want to try it. Heard squirrel and everything like.
I've ate squirrel too. Frog legs.
Can I go down there? Frog legs? I heard it tastes just like chicken. I want to try that so bad. Let's see if we can catch ourselves a bullfrog up there. Huh? I'm starting the video. Hey, you have your flash on. Your flashlight's on. I want to try frog. Hey, we caught a bullfrog. See you later. Next video. They comment, what are you eating? What do you think? It's frog legs. What happened to the bullfrog? What do you think?
Serious. What they did when I was a little kid? They told me it was chicken.
Yep. Right there.
And they was like, you know what you just ate? I'm like, chicken. They said, nope, frog legs.
So like, do I record the whole way walking there, or like pause it at points? Pause it until we.
Yeah, you can do that.
Pause it until we get about halfway there. Tell them we're about halfway there. See you in a couple of minutes for me. Second, not even a second for you. Bye. Pause it real fast.
We did walk a ditch, didn't we? We had to have walked the ditch.
So I have 26 minutes and 31 seconds to. It's fun riding a dirt bike down here.
Oh.
I was able to. Yeah, I would follow Jason. I was able to get stuck up here, and I would have to push. Now, I rode down here to go to a friend's house off of the bus, which is just down the road.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You guys. And man, it is fun riding right here. You guys were riding. I don't. You guys were riding like right here.
You shouldn't be riding towards that road.
You see that tiny line? That's where they were riding at. Tiny line. It was kind of. They were on Ayden's riding on a big ATV.
Kind of get over Ayden.
This wasn't really grown out. I was riding down here.
You know that trampoline when I uploaded?
Huh?
They cut the comments off.
Why?
To protect, yep.
What?
That's what it said.
The what?
They cut the comments off. You're not allowed to comment on it.
Why? Yeah, if you show it.
Because kids are on it. Kids are in it.
Why'd they take comments off the kids' channels?
Because there's people out there that aren't wrapped too tight.
What's that mean?
I can't say right now. We're recording.
Oh, there's crazy people that'll sneak on a kid's YouTube, and then they'll put. You ever heard of the Momo thing?
Hold on.
They put a picture.
Pause
of
this.
Thing.
All right.
And then on top of the musket system.
We're going to go back here on this nature walk and see what we can find back here.
Hopefully some bullfrogs, and don't even start asking what happened. Grims, what has ears but cannot hear?
You asked me this before. Hold on.
No, it's not a deaf person.
I'm videotaping. Ears but can't hear. I know that.
Well,
I know
you can
this.
see it though. Like everyone in the world can see it.
Ears. Earmuffs? I don't know.
Nope, your shadow.
Your shadow.
Hey, corn!
True.
See, look, you can see it. So.
Yep. I see my ear.
Here.
Right there.
Right, I'm unpausing. Why does it look so dark? I can barely see it.
But they could be able to see it. You're all right.
Isn't it crazy how you can see your shadow at nighttime too, whenever the moon's out, or full moon?
Yep.
Why is there so many rocks? I don't know, but sometimes we might. Why does it stink out here?
Well, my sinuses are messed up. I really can't smell anything, so.
Well, it doesn't stink anymore, but it stinks right there.
Probably something dead.
Oh, never mind. No, there it is. It's back again. Don't smell anything bad. 44 minutes in, and we have 20.
Now, what are those called? Quails?
I don't know. I barely know these types of birds. What are these? Are these the same thing as back there? Alright, I'm gonna pause until we get up to the trees up there.
I'm probably going to pause mine again, too.
Yeah, I pause it. We only have 26 minutes and we're already 4 minutes in.
Hey.
I'm already burning up. Ready? Alright.
See what we can run into. See, I heard.
Sounds like we're out in the desert.
Oh, I'm videotaping, guys.
Huh?
I said I'm videotaping. I heard there was a pond back here, so we're going back here and check to see if there is one.
I know those ones. I don't know if it's still.
Just can't remember where it's at. It's back here somewhere.
Time to pause my video.
Ooh, is that a big mud puddle?
Where?
Straight ahead.
I don't think it's puddle. Probably. Although the pond's out there somewhere. It looks black.
See, we used to be able to drive straight to it.
Don't look like you can now. Last time we had to walk,
That's where the house was at, right? Where was the house at?
It was like right if you put a hashtag inside the name of your video, does it like do something to it?
I'll show you what it does.
Like if I put nature walk hashtag pond or something like that, will that do anything to it?
I don't think it will on your title, but if you make a comment and put hashtag your name, it will show up in blue. Your name will.
And then if you click on it, your channel will pop up. Boom. Did you know that?
Okay, which way we go, Elijah?
Ayden was trying to get into some.
Elijah, which way we go? This way?
I think.
Well, that's where. Look, we got some tire marks here.
Yeah, we should be able to. Now you said something about me. Ayden, remember whenever you were trying to get into that clan and it turned out to be one of your subscribers? He tried to get into some Fortnite thing where he could play with real good people, I guess. And then they started putting hashtag Ayden Ray. Ayden clicked on it, and it popped up his channel in the comments.
Huh.
So it ended up to be one of my subscribers. And he started saying, yeah, go on, yeah, let's go. Except they weren't doing tryouts.
The shade feels good, and so does that breeze.
Yep, trying to take off my hat. Without all these bugs attacking.
So what is that? What am I seeing in front of us?
Some bugs?
No, them big things.
Logs, I guess. They look like logs.
Well, guys, we might not find the pond after all. I don't know.
Unless the pond's behind the log.
Well, I know we used to drive up to it, so.
Oh, yeah, I think I remember that. There's a pond back there. Oh my gosh, we're in the shade. Be ready. Guys, you do remember, like...
Oh, we're going to get in the shade again here in a minute.
Huh?
Oh, there it is. I see water.
Yep,
I see water.
Yep, this is the pond where I almost drowned. I almost fell in.
Well, I tell you about that horse playing around water.
What's that?
Messing around, playing around water.
Yep, there it is.
I about drowned last year when we went kayaking.
Huh?
Yeah. I thought I was going to die. If it wasn't for Kayla, I would have died.
Huh?
I would have drowned if it wasn't for Kayla. Kayla was taller than me.
What's this for? This log thing. Probably so we can't get in it. But you can easily just walk around.
I can't believe it don't have a duck.
I mean, look at the water.
We're out in the middle of nowhere. And there's no ducks, there's no geese, there's no swans.
Why is it drowned? It's bad water. Don't try and walk.
Hey, did you see that? Did you see that? What was that, big turtle?
Maybe.
I think that was a big turtle because it was up on the water for a long time. I don't think I got it on my video though.
I don't know if I did or not. I thought
It was right there.
Oh.
I'm showing them with my finger. It looks like a huge turtle. Be careful, Ayden. Don't get no closer.
Might have been a snapping turtle. Do we have those?
Yeah.
Do frogs jump in here or not? Well, don't get any closer. That might have been a snapping turtle. So watch out.
Yeah, you see how we're standing back some, Ayden?
Yeah.
Because we're being cautious. We don't want to fall in.
If you fall in, you're gonna.
You will drown.
Why is it so brown though? And if we don't drown,
Because it's dirty. Nobody's taking care of it.
Why not? What falls in it?
I think ponds you have to take care of. Let's see how far it goes down.
Who's been in it? It probably should make it dirty.
I don't know.
It's weeds and stuff.
Got a lot of bugs back here.
I know that. So, like you kids just hang out in the trees or something. You want? And then they just jump on you.
Ooh.
Fall. Yeah. They don't take the trees. Do they jump on you or fall? No jump.
That is strong.
Huh?
That kind of looks like it goes into a creek. But we know it doesn't.
What's that?
Because see how it's flowing?
Yeah.
Okay, there's the end of it.
Okay, don't.
Right there.
It looks a little bit clear over here.
That's because the edge.
I can actually. So it's not deep over. It's not deep.
Yeah,
over
it is
there.
deep. It is deeper than what you think because them weeds.
Oh, what's that? What's that? What's that?
That's a dragonfly.
We're gonna get on video.
They don't bite. They don't sting, Elijah.
I don't. I can't get on. I can't see it on video. So you can catch it.
It's because sun.
Whatever. 3 seconds later, we see an alligator.
Okay, let's walk
How
back
did that even
Let's
get
walk
here?
back this way again and see if we can see that turtle again.
Yeah, I think we can catch this turtle.
We ain't gonna catch no turtle,
I
but
think we got it from like the corner of the video. I'm not sure. You'll have to know that.
yeah, you have to watch the video see if you got it in there.
Mommy would probably start saying, "Oh, come on, you should let me come back there." Fish, come here. Come here. Fish skeleton. I want it. A fish skeleton. And a fish. That's a fish.
Ah, what? No, that is not.
What is that? That's a fish.
You sure it's fit? Yeah, it is a fish.
What is?
Ucky poo. Fish.
What got it?
Something got it.
Probably a turtle.
Fly just bit me.
Yeah, well,
I said a fly just bit me.
Wow. Flies bite.
Yeah, some flies do.
Does it hurt?
No, just like a mosquito bite. Less than a mosquito. Less than a mosquito bite.
Now we gotta think. What here would catch fish and then just let it sit there and rot?
They ate it, maybe.
They might have ate part of it.
Cats.
Huh?
Cats, maybe.
I don't know if I'm tripping, but something just hit my foot. I don't know. I don't know if I'm tripping or something.
All right. This is Mysterious Granny on a nature walk. I'm calling it. Peace out, people.
And I hate this place. I'm gonna keep recording for a little bit longer.